Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super simple holiday punch. It is absolutely delightful. That's going to have your guests in shock. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if you find it helpful, and let's dive in. To make this delicious holiday punch, here's what you need. You're gonna need some rosemary. You're gonna need some cranberries, some green apples, some orange slices. You're gonna need some limes. Also, you're gonna need alcohol of your choice, some cran-pineapple, also some cran-apple. And you cannot forget the Sprite. Oh, you can use ginger ale if you want, but I'm using lemon lime Sprite. All right, let's get started. I am going with 2 cups of ice. We're going in with 1 cup of the cran-apple. Well, let's go with 2. Why not? We're gonna go in with 2 cups of the cran-pineapple. I'm going in with my lemon lime Sprite. And with this one, I'm adding 3 cups, okay, you guys? This is going to be so good. Oh, yes. Now it's time for the alcohol, okay? Now you can leave this as a mocktail, but you know, we're trying to jazz this up. So we're going in with 2 cups of vodka. Ooh, should we even use a measurement? Come on. You can add as much as you want, but there you go, 1 cup. Let's go now. Okay, now that's 2 cups, yes. Now we're going in with our apple. Add that in there. Now, if you like, you can freeze your fruits and just add them in here. It'll be like super cold. You don't have to add too much of the ice. It's gonna run down your drink, so it's best to add your, your fruits. I'm gonna leave some so I can decorate my cups. And we're going in with about 1 cup of cranberries. Ooh, that looks good, y'all. That looks so festive. Now I'm going in with a few sprigs of rosemary. Ooh, it's gonna add some flavor to this. Add that in. Oh yes, it smells so good, y'all. Let's taste it. Why not? Let's taste it. We need a little bit more alcohol. Now, if you're not like a drinker, I'll say 2 is enough, but I want this to actually taste like, we don't want no juice. We want to actually taste the alcohol. So I'm adding another cup. Alrighty, that is perfect. Oh, forgot the lime. Let's add that in. Pour that in, honey. Give it a little stir. Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You know what? I feel like if you kind of break this a little, it'll add a little flavor to it. So do that. The aroma. It's so good. Okay, let's taste it. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let me get my cup. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get that beautiful white sugar rim on your cup. So I have a plate with some sugar and I'm using some simple syrup. I'm going to add that to a plate. Once you have that on there, you're going to grab your cup, twirl it just like this, and then you're going to add that to your sugar. Just twirl it. Ooh. And there you have it, nice and pretty. And we have 2 cups, of course, because my cameraman, AKA my sweet husband, is behind the camera. So we need to cheers together. So that's why we have 2 cups. There you go. And there you have it, the cup with the sugar on the rim. Now, if you like salt, you can use salt as well. So let's pour ourselves a drink. Why not? All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. And you know I already taste this, right? I'm sure you do. Anyways, let's give it a try. That is good. That, so refreshing. Like, it's so good. If you start sipping on this, you're not gonna stop. You're gonna think it's juice, but it's not. It's so good, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit it with a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you're making for this Christmas, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.